Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, a very warm welcome to you too. This is a review of Autoglym Quick Refresh. It's a product that is designed to be used in between washes. So if your car's got light film of traffic dirt on it, a bit like this one here, you can use this. Apparently you don't even need to use a hose pipe to give it a restored, just washed finish. That's what it says on the bottle. Now, before we get started, I want to be very clear. Autoglym have no idea that I'm making this video. I am not endorsed, connected with, compensated by in any way with Autoglym. So this is as impartial as it gets. The reason I'm reviewing this is because somebody commented on one of my other videos if I've tried it, and if I have, what did I thought? So you, sir, who commented, I went to Halfords this morning, bought it, and now I'm testing it for you. So for this, I also recommend that you get an extra dry cloth as well. So I bought both of those from Halfords this morning, or of course you can get from the Autoglym website, and we are going to test them on this car here. Now I know it doesn't look very dirty. It's not really designed to be used on filthy cars, but it does have a bit of a light film over it, and I'll overlay some close-up shots. Now, reading the back, it says shake well, pour 5 catfuls into a bucket with a grit guard, add 10 litres of warm or cold water, using an inch dry cloth, apply the wash solution working from top down to get as much solution on the vehicle as possible, return inch dry to the bucket regularly, rinse slow, blah, 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 blah. It doesn't say anything about rinsing the vehicle down first or rinsing it down afterwards. So I assume you can apply it to a dry, or as you can see here, it's been a bit showery this morning, a near dry car. That's what we're going to do. So let's get on with it. This is a brand new bottle. Ooh, banana. Right, 5, 4, 5. I think this is a 20 litre bucket, so we'll go for about half, which I reckon is about there. And 1 inch dry cloth. I'm a bit nervous about this, as I don't really like the idea of washing a car without putting out. I really like the Polar series, because you put a blast on before that. Before you even touch the car, you rinse it off. This, I'm literally, to me it just feels like that's going to catch all of the dirt and it's going to end up swirling. But all for YouTube. In case you're wondering, yes, this car has been treated with the Polar series previously, so I'm hoping for good results. This feels so wrong. I trust you, Autoglym. I trust you. I trust you. Oi, almost. That would have been a disaster. Oh, he's doing a pretty good job cutting through some of the dirt and grime here. I still feel like I should be rinsing it off afterwards, even though it says not to. I still want to get the hose pipe. That's it done. But now, this is where it feels really weird. Using the same cloth that I've used to wash the car, I'm now going to try and dry it. What? I don't believe it. It's actually used drying the car. How's it doing that? Oh, wow. If someone puts in the comments, why are you wearing sunglasses, not even that bright? A few years ago, I had my eyes lasered. I used to be exceptionally blind. I think my prescription was like +6 on each eye. So I had my eyes lasered. Best thing I ever did. However, it has made them quite sensitive to light. He's wearing sunglasses because of the shine of the car, it's so bright. I mean, really? How has it done that? All right, I'll be completely honest. It's not perfect. There are still like some watermarks on here, which you would definitely get out if you washed it using traditional shampoo products. But how long did that take? What, 15 minutes, if that. No hose pipe, literally one bucket, one cloth, one product. Clean car. I'll try it on the wheels. I just said it took 15 minutes. I lied. I've looked at the timestamp on the camera. That was 10 minutes to wash your car. All right, it wasn't filthy, but still, to remove all the film off a car in 10 minutes. I mean, what have you got to put away? A bucket. That's it. That's awesome. Wheels. Feels wrong, but it hasn't done bad so far. One thing I would say, in my opinion, when it comes to wheels, rather than using this as a quicker, easier product, if your budget allows, go for the new Autoglym Advanced All Wheel Cleaner. I've done a separate video on that. You spray it on, leave it for 4 minutes, wash it off, done, wheels clean. But if you're just going to use one product for the whole car, look at that, that's fantastic. Right, just got the rest of them to do now. I won't bore you with that, give me 2 minutes. Quick Refresh and the Insta Dry cloth. Thoughts? Well, I think the results speak for themselves. That entire car has been cleaned down in less than 10 minutes without using a hose pipe, just a bucket, grit guard, quick refresh and one cloth. Washed down and dried. Wheels, body, glass. With essentially 2 products. So, what are the thoughts? Quick refresh. It does what it says on the tin. It does work. I mean, it doesn't appear to have left a million swirl marks, which is, you know, what I thought it would do. That was my biggest fear with doing this. And it has worked. It has cleaned the car off. Does have a nice scent, like quite a banana rama kind of scent. So quick refresh, yeah, that is a very good product and costs what, £9 from Halfords using various discount codes. This cloth, however, the Insta-Dry, I am so impressed with this, the fact that it washed it down, and I thought, well, now I've got to dry it using this, it's just going to smear the water all over the place, but it didn't. It really did dry the car afterwards. Even though it still feels damp, it's pulled all the water off the car, so that's really impressive. So overall, those 2 products, would I recommend them? Is it worth a go? Yeah, it is. I think these would actually be really good if you're taking your car to, say, a car show or something like that, or, for example, if you live somewhere where you haven't got an outdoor tap, or you live on the road or something like that, or even if you just want to give your car a quick clean down, that's a brilliant product for that. I mean, if you went to a car show with just that and that in your hand, say you've driven like 200 miles to get there and you've been through God knows what, and you need to wash the car down, all you need to do is find a bucket and a tap, fill it up, and away you go. And that is, well, I'm taking this to the National Metro Mini Show next week, so we'll see how clean it is. Might even give it a quick rinse down when I'm up there. Just to reaffirm, no way endorsed, affiliated with, connected with Autoglym. You can get 20% off using the code RTIM20 at the Autoglym website. That's on retail products only, but just for complete clarity, I don't make any money off the sales. The reason why I've got that code is, well, a couple of my Autoglym videos have done very well on YouTube, and I just said to Autoglym, hey, videos are doing well, could I offer my viewers a little thank you? And they said, we can offer you a 20% code if you want to do that. And I said, yes. So that's a little thank you from me to you for helping my channel grow. Now, on that note, thank you very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, underneath, there's a thumbs up. If you hit that, it works with the YouTube algorithm, helps this video reach more people just like you. I'm really sorry, I need to put my sunglasses on. It's very bright. If you've really enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. You'll get a new video from me pretty much every week. Now, usually my videos are from shows about cars, bikes, trucks, and tanks, but I do also do car reviews and product reviews as well. One video pretty much every week. So if you like the sound of that, hit that subscribe button and I'll start appearing on your feed. All that's left to say is thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Fair play, Autoglym. That cloth is amazing.